Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we just received the new steering wheel. Well, we ordered that, but I didn't expect that it will arrive so fast. So let's unbox that and see what did they send us. Then we're gonna go and install it. Here we are, custom made Alcantara perforated leather and beautiful carbon fiber. That looks very nice and feels very nice. We did order it with black stitching right over here. It's beautiful, custom made. So we're gonna replace the old one, this one, with a new one. Now, in order to put the new steering wheel, we have to take out the old one, of course. So how we will do that? You need a special tool for that. You need something like this, and you have to pry from the rear. As you can see, nothing is on the rear right here. Nothing is visible, by the way. So we have to turn the ignition on, twist the wheel like that, and then pry out the airbag. We have to remove the airbag, and then we have to take out the actual steering wheel. So let's get started. It's good to disconnect the battery for about 10-15 minutes. So when you take out the airbag from the steering wheel, it won't lodge a fault on the dashboard. So you have to push it in that angle and then pry it like that, both sides. And you can take out the airbag. Just like that. In order to disconnect the battery though, you have to pull out all the covers from the seat, because you have to lift the seat. So one bolt right there. Can you see that? Right here. That's an M10 Torx. It is specific Torx. Like that. Okay, so we have to undo that. So we remove these two screws, 1, 2, unclip this. Okay, so just make sure that it's not clipped. And now we have to go at the front, and now we have to remove these two bolts. One right there, and the other one right here. This will lift up our seat, because this bar over here holds the cover, and the cover will not move if we don't move this one. So we remove this one, and now the last one. And when we remove this one as well, we can lift the seat like that, and you have access to the battery. There you go. And always disconnect the negative first. So disconnect the battery. And leave it for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna disconnect the airbag and remove the steering wheel. Now, to remove the steering wheel, we have to disconnect this connector, push it down here and pull it back. And you take the airbag out. So as you can see right here, these are the clips that clip on the steering wheel right here. In order to remove the steering wheel, you need this tool, M12 star. Like that. So now we have to pull back the steering wheel. It is better to pull this back and give it a good push. Actually, good pull. So we mark this one exactly where it should be, right there. We're gonna take it out. So as you can see right here, be careful, do not change the angle of this as well. Don't move this. So we're gonna get our new one. You see there is a mark right here. And we're gonna place it exactly where it was the other one. As you can see, this is exactly where it was the other one, fully aligned. So we need to put this back. Well, this one, it is because some of the steering wheels, they do have heated wheel. Well, this version, it's not heated. You can see the plug right there, but it has no terminals inside, as you can see. But we will put this exactly where it should be, right there. It's not gonna work. I mean, it's not gonna have heating, but it is exactly the same. And now we have to put the airbag back. Let's take the airbag. Only one connection right here, and just clipped in. Nothing else. So I connect the airbag. Nothing changed actually. And now we have to align and push it forward in order to finalize it. So let's do this. And just like that, we have a brand new steering wheel, which I can tell you it is beautiful. Everything it is so nice, very well finished right here. So we have to put everything back, connect and check if we have any issues on the screen because we removed the airbag. The horn will work, Tiptronic will work. We have to put back the negative. Secure it. Have to put back the cover. Actually, it sits really well. Some bounce with the hand. This actually is okay. Goes all the way down. Same with this one. And secure them. Very happy with the outcome. It feels very nice. We don't have any bulbs on the dashboard. That was a very nice one. Thanks for watching.